One of my viewers are asked me about this issue. They can't able to select the operating system you want to install during a clean installation. Windows is directly installs Home Single Language Edition on my computer. For that need to add a CFG file in the source directory. Open Notepad, copy and paste the command from the description. Now save the file ei.cfg. Here I am saving the file directly to source folder. Now try this time. You will able to see the options to select the operating system you want to install during a clean installation. If you feel this video will be useful to you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.